What's up, you degenerate? Scott Barnes here. Yes, I am cold and I have a blanket on because we keep the AC down and I've tried to turn it up and you know how the drill goes. Anyway, we've got all casino action up on deck on a blackout blackjack table at the M Casino in Las Vegas, Nevada. I think we got like a $23,000 buy-in. Let's hop into, guys. You know the drill. Go over to all casino action. Go like, subscribe. Let's have some fun. Let's do it.
Perfect. Okay. 23. That's what we don't want to get on blackjack. We get 21.
Yeah, we
so
don't
in
want
for 2,300. I'll do. So I want to be a big donkey and play the side bets. All right, I'll play 2 spots.
A donkey.
And let's go.
We got a nice double deck jack, blackjack.
I actually like the lucky side bet. It's
So the dollar does not work.
Oh, it doesn't work.
No.
This doesn't work, right?
Yeah, just the dollar wheel doesn't work right now. The system's turned off.
Save money anyway. Don't worry about it. Okay. It's a donkey bet. All right, I'll just play the lucky.
That's interesting. They said it's off.
Yeah, one hand. Okay, so we have to do one hand. So 9 jack. So I will stay. Yeah. So stay. Yeah. Tuck it under like that.
Yep.
All right. And then 4-2. And then I will go. All right. So now I have a 14, and we want a 7. We got one. Hey.
Nice.
That works.
Yeah, this one
Or
is tuck it too.
tuck it in, right? Yeah.
Yep.
Hey. All right. So push and a win.
Okay, this is very interesting.
Like that. Good start.
This is very
All right,
interesting.
Go up to 200. Why not? Take a shot. Yeah, we don't want to put our chips too close to the bet circle. So in for 23. And
This is like old school
got an 8 showing.
handling.
And I have suited hearts means nothing. Suited hearts means nothing. Yeah. 5.
16,
Okay, that's not
17.
a bad. We didn't bust at least. So we want a 6-7 of hearts, and we get the jackpot. We get $1,000. That's not good. We want a 10 under. I want a 10. No, that's garbage. So far, it's garbage. All right. 15. Make another hand? Nah, not this time. So that's a bust. So I lose 200. Hope she has another 8 under there. It's just as good. Yeah. All right. Good push. Good push.
Dana White would like to play this style.
All right. Got this.
Some people like holding the cards.
Since I don't have any use for these ones anymore, I'll just go that, and then I'll do reds. Yeah.
Oh.
It's interesting, yeah, because I usually play at casinos that have so that's 23 total. So that is something we have to hit. 21, that works. Second 21 today. And hit this one. 20 and 21. She has 20. All right, well, I should have won both, but what can you do?
Man,
I'm like pushing and winning. So
yeah,
stuff
but like
that. I was gonna
how
double it,
disgraceful is it that the dealer's
get some
got a
reds,
20 every
50
time?
and reds. I'll play the side bet every time. I haven't hit it once on either hand.
I'm thinking about
But-
hitting on my 17s just to get to 21.
300 a hand. Okay,
You keep
now she
losing.
has a
I'm
7
like,
of
well, no,
diamonds. I get a
duh.
6 of diamonds and 8 of diamonds for
If I'm going
1,000.
to get to 20, 21.
I have a jack, so I need a 4. Okay, I have 20 though. 20 is good. That 20 is good. That's 12. 13. How about another 8? Running 8s. There's no way. All right, push in. It's a push anywhere. Almost certainly a push for the 20. Yep. All right. Back and forth.
That table feels like a nightclub.
I know. I got to hit something on the side bet. This is actually a better side bet than most side bets. So running bad on it. 7. Okay, I need a 6. 6, 7, 8 offsuit is what? 30 to 1. That's not terrible. $300. Oh, I needed the 777s though. That would have been 50x. All right. Well, I have 1422. So no. So I'm just gonna hit that against an 8.
15.
18.
18.
Good. Enough. Not bad. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. All right. 1. Well, I need a 3. 8. Okay. Hopefully, you know what? I'll take a push. Flip a face card. Or but yeah, flip a face card now. There you go. That's awesome. A win. That's actually a surprise win. 2 18s against an 8. We got it. We got it. All right. All right. Now I'll go up to 400. 400. And
he's pressing pretty high right now.
Hopefully we get there.
Usually he's pretty conservative on his play.
So I need nobody home. Okay, good. Lucky. Okay. I have a 16. So got a hit. Small one. That's small enough. And
okay.
That is a
13.
17, even just as good. Just as good. All right, here we go. 20, 2 20s. All right.
Home slice is killing it, man.
500. All right, halfway to the max bet. If you total the two cards, we're at the max bet. I'm gonna hit this. I'm gonna hit this. Come on. I'm 0 for 20 on this. I need an ace. I need a blackjack actually. I need a blackjack. I need an ace of clubs. Just missed. All right. Save one. I need a 11.
Yeesh.
Small one.
Do you say 11
So
like an ace?
One. Save one. Good push. You know what? I won the 2 400s. I only lost 500, so I'm actually still up. So we'll keep it the same. 1,000. Already going big.
All the lights are moving.
I wanted to try
just noticed
this
that.
bonus wheel, but you know what? I've been donking on.
I thought those were like the lights from above.
As it is.
The tough part
But I
about
just
this
need
whole
to hit one, so
situation,
I'm
which I'm
kind of
totally
like-
cool with,
Obviously, I'm betting
But
big,
man,
so like
flipping them over,
25 is
counting them
gonna be good.
up
I'm
takes a
kind
little
of
bit,
martingale-ing
and that's okay.
Side bet a little bit. Try to hit it once. If I hit it once now, after
Maybe we're more conscious of our decisions.
only I can't. I need an 8. No, not I can't. I'm drawing dead on the side bet. All right, so
Sorry about the yawns, guys.
an ace, and if I get an ace, straight. It's a good card for you, actually. Face. That's a bad.
Yeah.
That's a killer. All right, actually, am I still up? We were doing. I think I'm even. $2,000. So I bought it for 23. Remember. 22. Now we've shut it all back. All right. Well, I'm down $20. All right, we'll go to 200 each. Sucker bet. But you got to hit it at least once. All right. Probably gonna hit the wheel. Only a face. Can't get a face. Amazing. All right. 12. Stay. Jack 5. Yeah, I got it. I got this. What is that? 2x finally. Lost $1,000 on it. There's her 16, right? And she busted. At least she busted. There's that twist. There's the wheel, though. I would have hit that too.
It's
But
not a bad idea.
it's honestly like a few bucks, not even. Go up to. All right. Finally got a side bet, but at least maybe it'll come in a run. Okay, well, you kind of, no. See if the lucky hits. Nobody home. Okay, so if I have so 14, that is 14. Yeah. 21. 21. I love it. Third 21 tonight. King, if I have a 20, I'm good. But I don't. A 14. Now a 7. Now a 6. Thank you. Beautiful, beautiful. Great hand. Great hand, guys. Great hand. All right, climbing back. We got to 500 and then we went back down. So all right, so she has a 2. We have, if we get 19 in our hand, there. If I get a face, I get 21. No, 17 against it. So 15 against the 2. 13 against the 2. That's double stay because she busted 12. No way, no way, not this time. That's okay though. Going back and forth, and I'm not getting killed. I'm actually up. Thank you, thank you. You guys, guess what? With all that, I'm up $100, $105.
I thought he'd be up more.
It's not bad though.
No, it's not bad. Oh, you know what it was too? I'll bet you it was part of the side bets.
No, I'd be up $500 if I didn't bet the side bet.
Ah, what did I say? What did I say?
If you hit 100x, it's a hand pan.
What did I say?
What do I need here? I
know. I was thinking like, dude, the guy's been having a pretty good run. I mean,
8 or 9. 7.
But yeah, this is where those side bets will kill you guys.
21 suited. There it is. That's a big hit. That's 10x.
21 suited.
250, right? Yeah, 250. There we go.
Well, he got some of his money
I
back.
got some of it back. I got like half my side bet money back.
All right, let's see if he can win it. So he's got 13. He'll stay.
Back to back.
Wait, I don't remember.
I need
Do you have
5,
8 and a 3?
Got a 5. Okay, there we go.
I don't remember.
That's a $300. There, $300. I'd probably put 600 in.
I don't remember.
It's 15 against a couple of faces, please. There's some in the deck.
Come on, one
Gotta
more.
Be. There it is.
Nice.
Perfection.
What did he have again? Oh,
Lowered it
16.
a little bit, but not
okay.
much.
Why did I think he had an 8?
All right. Good session.
So now he's probably up 5 or 6.
There you go. Okay, so the side bet gamble paid off, kind of. I mean, I didn't lose money. Let's try it again. Let's go try to get back to back. Let's go. Come on.
Hey.
What's the max side bet? $100, yeah.
If it starts hitting, man.
Nobody home. All right, I need an ace. I need a blackjack. I need a king, an ace. I need an ace of diamonds. 22. There. 19.
Nice.
19 is good.
Dude, the cards are coming out pretty well for him.
I could have an ace. 29. I don't have a face card under. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. That's
close.
Okay.
No cigar.
It's 2,000, so we're in for 23. You know what? It's a grind. It's just what it is. You know, I'm not doing terribly, so I'm still up. Same bet. Try same bet one time. Last hand if I lose, guys. Last hand if I lose. Let's go. I need a blackjack. Come on. Good luck. Good luck. Wait, I got it, though. I still got the side bet. 1x. Yeah, take that. No choice. Small,
16.
tiny one. That's the biggest one. Only a lucky 7 could save me now, guys. There it is. Lucky 9, I mean. I guess an 8 could have saved me too. But
all right, so we got to push.
That's a good push,
think
guys.
overall,
Last hand if I lose. I actually broke even on the sides.
Speaking this guy's language.
21. It's a nice hit, actually. That was actually a nice hit. All right, 7-8 of diamonds, please. I need, or it's time you want to have 15 or 14 or a bust. I have 20. It's like you kind of don't want to have 20, but I'll take it. I'll take it. 7. Where's my 7? Lucky 7. Oh, 1 off, 2. All right. Well, hopefully busts. Time for a bust. Bust through.
12. Oh, man.
Push. Table push. Win 1, lose 1.
Yeah. You try. This is 19. Win 1, lose 1.
Even Steven.
Again, all casinos
well.
play like 80s and 90s music. I don't know if you guys have noticed this.
Yeah, I could check my cards. Check my cards for this. So nothing here, and nothing here. If you have it, you have it. Nobody home. Nice. All right.
13. Too many. 14. Too many.
Oh, sorry.
Flip it.
It's too many.
I want to see it. Don't you dare. Oh.
Say last hand if I lose. So I'm down like
Brutal.
5.
Didn't he say that last
14,
time?
15, 16, 17. Yeah, down $500. It's kind of okay. I didn't say last hand if I lose. We'll do one big bet and then we'll end it. Give it a try. I mean, I hit one. One big side bet, that is. I'm still down on the side bet, but not crazy.
Sides for suckers.
Big bet. Last hand if
Big bet for a
last
big
hand
man.
if I lose. Something good. Come on.
Need
an
a
ace.
jack.
Only an ace or ace deuce.
Oh, that isn't hards.
Oh,
I was gonna
it's a
say
straight
get
flush.
straight
The
flush.
other side bet. It's another side bet would be perfect. That would have been the top one. Come on, blackjack. Oh, it's a 19. It's a win, right? 19. No, 18. 18. Right. Sorry, you're right. All right. Well, 7.
You get a push and a loss.
Oh my God. In one hand. Donkey bet. Okay, we need a 6-7. Come on, this is $5,000 if I. We're 5 now. 22. Nope. 17. Really?
Well, lots of 8s.
We're done after this.
Oh my God! What a
We had started the day with bad luck. Down $2,000 already.
what a kick in the pants! What a kick in
We
the
just get
pants
one side bet.
afterwards.
Okay, well, thank you. So final count, we bought it for 23. We have 305 left. Yeah. See you in the next one, guys.
Oh my gosh, he got an absolute beating. I have to say, and I'll be honest with you, Al Casino Action doesn't have the best luck, and it's not against his fault. I do say when he played with Mr. Handpay, he was doing pretty good. But yeah, I don't know. That was a different style of play, not my favorite. But hey, we're diversified here, you guys. We will watch it all because this is all about IRL blackjack. All right, love you guys. Like, subscribe. I'll do one more today, so watch out. And yeah, and if you guys haven't seen any, go back to the log. We got tons of stuff out here for you. I mean, Dana White, Steve will do it, Mr. Handpay, you name it, we got it. Love you guys. See you in the next video. Bye.